Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is super special because I'm taking you inside the beautiful Vista room at Coast Shore Retreat. Yeah, this is the entrance of that. I know it's been long I've shared a room tour. So this is it. We are having a staycation. It's a peaceful luxury gateway tucked in the foothills of Nandi Hills. Now we are going to find Vista. These are walkforwards. Anyway, you will be standing in this retreat, you will have a view of Nandi Hills.
ऐसा ही कुछ है इसलिए हम भागते कि तुम इस जगह पे
Like here, you can see the Nandi Hills while we are moving towards the reception area. If you love serene views, nature, comfort, this place is a must-see for you all. Let's go explore. These are the rooms. Cart will help you to go to the reception area because it's a very, very big property. See all the greenery around, the bees, birds chirping. While we are moving towards the reception area, I will just give you the highlight of the room. We will be staying inside the Vista A room. You will be getting some snacks, private ensuite jacuzzi, and what not will be provided the garden with a day bed and swing, which is perfect for chilling and sipping a morning coffee. Here we are at the reception now. The people here were very helpful. You can see the Nandi Hill right in front of you. Also, this is the area where you will have your high tea activities. This is the movie area under the sky itself, right? I am literally having the smile on my face. I'm remembering all those cozy time what I have spent here. They will be having paintings. You can do paint. You can do pottery. Wide variety of snacks will be there. ये देखो गरीबों को तौलिया मिला है अब ये पूरा नहा जाएंगे बस मुंह पूछना होता है आज तो कभी तौलिया मिला नहीं था लोग भिंगा के हाथ में दे रहे तौलिया This is the reception. They have given us this bed towel. This one. और ये गरीब इसका पूरा फायदा उठा रहा है. I think here only the high tea activities happen. वैसे लेने का तो फायदा नहीं है.
ये तो कोई ये भी गरीबी नहीं.
चलिए हम लोग दोनों गरीब ही हैं.
लिपस्टिक कुछ लगी इसमें.
Hope you're enjoying the video. Please do like and subscribe for more such travel adventures. आते हैं अगर घंटे को This is Vista room.
बहुत बड़ा लगा.
On, lamp, and ये आपका लगेज एरिया. यहाँ पास में डंप कर दो अपने लगेज को.
शुरू हो गया तो
आवाज जाएगा.
शुरू
बात तो दिया नहीं हो घड़ी.
क्या चलो.
ये लॉकर है. ये स्लीपर है. ये सारे फ्री हैं. ये आपके लिए स्नैक्स हैं.
This is a beautiful pottery. Show the roof area one. Welcome. This is me, as always. And this is Gola. ये सेट है, ये mini fridge है. If in case you want to have anything, they have cold drinks as well. Yes. Go. Now I will just close it. Come. ये ऐसे खुला.
अच्छा ठीक है समझ गया
And then come this area. This is the pool area. Relaxing.
See a pregnant panda trying to sit.
That part is jacuzzi. Come, I will show you from inside. This is a small bedding area. If you want to watch TV, relax, you not want to sit on your bed, you can sit here, relax, have a pillow fight. You can come inside. See. Ooh. This is shower area, and if you want to go for jacuzzi, you will have to slide it like this, stand up on the deck, call the receptionist first before coming here. They will do the preparations in 30 minutes. We will have the snacks and everything. Ooh. Okay, bye. बेड का तो दिखा दिया था ना, और ये भी दिखा देता है. इसको भी मार दिया था बेड वाले पार्ट में. They have given a small welcome letter. I will just open it for you. Yay! Thank you so much.
We will also be having an in-house restaurant where most of the foods are North Indian style. There will be a swimming pool inside, and every evening you will be seeing a musician or a singer there for their cozy moments. So this is it. That was Vista Room and the Coast Shore Retreat review, a tour, a perfect mix of luxury and nature. If you are planning a calm gateway near Nandi, this is a place worth checking. Okay, bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. Bye bye.